Right, today we're going to make Amlou. It's a very popular in Morocco. They use it for breakfast. It's something really very healthy. What we have over here, almond. We roast the almond in 180 for 15 minutes. You leave it rest for 10 minutes. And then you have honey, argan oil, a pinch of salt. Important to have a good ingredient. It's a very simple recipe. Anybody can do it once you have the right ingredient. Once I blend it, the almond, it gives a little bit of oil. So to make it a little bit easier, you just put a little bit of argan oil. So this will speed up the process. Right, now we're going to put the argan oil. And you keep stirring. So you're looking for a very good paste. That's it. Now argan oil is down. Then you got your honey. And make sure you have good quality honey because it's worth it. There's no need because argan oil is very expensive and it's a good product, very healthy. And it's worth it to do really a good honey. It's something that you can use in the morning for breakfast with a toast. Also, it goes with like fruits. Apple is perfect, but I recommend this is for breakfast. It's fantastic. Really have a lot of energy and have also good protein. So the last ingredient now, a pinch of salt. This is a pinch of salt. And then you stir. Make sure you stir the things properly. And that's it really. So Amlou is done. It's a very simple recipe. And here you go. So the Amlou will stay for 1 month. And you don't need to put it inside the fridge. And I can tell you, the children, they will love it. With a toast in the morning for breakfast before they go to school. This is something have a lot of energy and proteins. I hope you enjoyed watching the video.